Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Battle.net slow download time. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So if it's really slow, you want to pause it and then head over to your task manager and you're gonna click on details, and from there you'll see that Battle.net will be here around somewhere around B. So you're gonna right click on that one and then you're gonna set the priority to high, and after that if it's still not working, make sure you are connected like on an Ethernet, because Ethernet is faster. After that, what you want to do is search up control panel, and then we're going to go to network and internet, network and sharing center, and then Ethernet, this one. So we're going to click on change adapter settings and then right click on this one, head over to properties. Now what I want you to do is put up search bar into CMD and then run as administrator. Yes. And then you're going to type in ping 1.1.1.1, just like so. So just wait. So the average is 45, and then another one will be ping 8.8.8.8. So you'll see the average right here. Okay, the average is 41. So 41 is less than 45. So if it's the 8.8, so we're going to head over to this one, IPv4, and then we're going to click on use the follows DNS server, and it should be 8.8.8.8, and alternate should be 8.8.4.4. And if your 1.1.1.1 was lower, then this one should be 1.1.1.1, and then alternate should be 1.0.0.1, this. But for me it was that, so I'm gonna keep it into 8. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.